A very good morning to everyone. Today, I, Sneha Mishra, a student of class 11C of Arvachan International School, welcome you to the Digital Assembly on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year since 2014 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, and this year marks his 145th birth anniversary. He was an Indian politician who played a pivotal role in India's freedom struggle and in the integration of the country soon after independence. He worked hard throughout his life for a united and strong India. India is a very diverse country in terms of religion, language, cultures, festivals, and much more. The students of Arvachan International School will now sing the song Hind Desh Ke Nivasi and inspire us all to develop an understanding and the feeling of patriotism inherent in all the languages of the states of India. Let's welcome them.
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूंथे माला में एक है, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूंथे माला में एक है।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं। कोयल की कूक प्यारी, पपी है किटेल न्यारी, कोयल की कूक प्यारी, पपी है किटेल न्यारी, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी, गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी, जाके मिल गए सागर में हुए सब एक है, जाके मिल गए सागर में हुए सब एक है।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
धर्म ही अनेक जिसका सारे वही हैं, धर्म ही अनेक जिसका सारे वही हैं, मंत्र है निराले सबके मंजिल एक है, मंत्र है निराले सबके मंजिल एक है।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है।
Wow, the song was truly inspiring. Next, the students of class 10 will do a poem enactment and apprise us all with what it actually means to come together. Please welcome them.
Millennium Vision. Our city leads the nation in diversity. Members of every faith and of all ethnicities reside within her streets and are here today. We joyously honor the many cultures that formed us while coming to an understanding of one another. We work together, make art together, dance together, dine together, laugh together, and live together. We can show the world what it means to come together. Our kindness towards one another is the blueprint upon which a better world is built. May love and respect reverberate, changing the hearts of all who choose hate across every nation and every state. May the words and actions of our daily lives help every adult and child to thrive. For love, unity, and peace is our fate.
Wow, that was amazing. Now, please welcome Sanidhya Tyagi, a student of class 8D, who will showcase his talent through an instrumental performance. That was amazing. Now let's welcome Bhumi, a student of class 11, who will enlighten us with a speech on National Unity Day.
Unity is the strength and power of every nation. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Bhumi of class 11th, and it is a matter of great privilege for me to deliver a speech on National Unity Day. National Unity Day, also known as the Rashtriya Ekta Divas, is celebrated every year on 31st of October by people all through India. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who really unified the country. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 with the aim to celebrate this event every year on 31st of October. The aim to introduce this event is to pay tribute to the great man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary by remembering his extraordinary works which he did for the country. He really worked hard in keeping India united. This day was inaugurated in 2014 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi by paying floral tribute at the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and flagging off a program known as Run for Unity in New Delhi. This program was planned to highlight the efforts made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for uniting the country. At this day, a nationwide marathon is organized to increase the awareness about Rashtriya Ekta Divas and remembering the great personality. Celebration of this occasion annually helps the youth of the country to be aware of and provides an opportunity to everyone to maintain the integral strength of the nation. It makes Indian citizens to realize that how a nation's integrity helps in defeating the actual and potential threats for unity, integrity and security of the nation. The Ministry of Human Resource Development has requested that pledges be made in schools and colleges to motivate the students and maintain the country's unity and integrity in future. Thus, the Central Board of Secondary Education issues a notice to administer the commitment in the schools. CBSE has appointed nearly 250 centers throughout India to organize the event, in which more than 400 to 500 students from the neighboring schools comes to participate in the mass activities. Various activities play a major role in conveying the message about the importance of unity and maintaining peace and maintaining clean public places, security, removing threats, etc. from the nation. Now, I would like everyone to raise their right hand for taking a pledge with me. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the integrity, security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the visions and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my contribution to ensure the internal security of my country. Thank you everyone for patiently listening. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Bhumi. That was really informative. Now let's welcome the students of classes 7 to 12 who will recite a Hindi poem and emphasize the fact that a nation which stands united can only succeed.
सहस्त्र भारत में वीर हैं, हर धर्म के यहाँ पर पीर हैं, एक सूत्र में बांधकर देश को तोड़ी गुलामी की हर जंजीर है। तिनका तिनका मिलकर जुड़ा, राष्ट्र प्रेम से भरा हर जीव है, इन भावपूर्ण तिनकों से बनी भारत भूमि की नींव है।
यहाँ हर धर्म पवित्र है, गाथाएं गाते चरित्र हैं, राष्ट्र प्रेम की डोर से बंधा हर मानव मानव का मित्र है।
वो छिपा बैठा है दुश्मन सरहद पर, उसे जीतने न देना, तोड़ देना उसका गुरूर, तिनकों में बटने न देना।
अखंड एकता की ज्योति हर एक हृदय में जलाए रखना, अखंड एकता की ज्योति हर एक हृदय में जलाए रखना, अनैतिकता की आंधी से उसे सदा बचाए रखना।
राष्ट्र सुरक्षा का चोला जो आज हमारा रक्षक है, यह राष्ट्र एकता का बल है जो भारत की संरक्षक है।
धर्म, जात और पात का भेद ये सब तुझको उलझाएंगे, पर कसम है राष्ट्र प्रेम की हमको झुकने ना हम पाएंगे।
स्वयं को कभी भारतीय कभी राष्ट्र प्रेमी बताते हैं हम, स्वयं को कभी भारतीय कभी राष्ट्र प्रेमी बताते हैं हम, कदम कदम पर सरहदें भी तो खुद ही बनाते हैं हम। राष्ट्र के नाम पर कितनी कस्में, यूं तो दिन रात खाते हैं हम। पर सच्चाई तो ये है कि वास्तव में कितना कुछ देश की खातिर कर पाते हैं हम। सच है स्वयं को कभी भारतीय कभी राष्ट्र प्रेमी बताते हैं हम।
राजनीति के दलदल में देखो कहीं ना फंस जाना। संगठित माला की तरह मोती से मोती बन जुड़ जाना।
संविधान को जानो समझो और उसका सम्मान करो। नेताओं के भाषण और आश्वासन पर ना तुम विश्वास करो।
हर एक युवा जब राष्ट्र के प्रति अपना कर्तव्य निभाएगा, ना होगा भ्रष्टाचार, न राष्ट्र टुकड़ों में बट पाएगा।
आओ हम आज के युवा वर्ग को राष्ट्र एकता का नारा दें। जो बिखरे हैं धर्म जाति के नाम पर, उन्हें मिलकर सहारा दें।
मानसिकता को बदले अपनी, देश प्रेम को राष्ट्र प्रेम बनाए। हर एक वीर का करे सम्मान, देश पर जो होते कुर्बान। पीढ़ियों को हर शिक्षक जो देगा ज्ञान, न इस पार न उस पार कोई दुश्मन ही ना रह जाएगा। हर एक नर नारी जिस दिन वसुधैव कुटुंबकम को अपनाएगा, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम को अपनाएगा।
The poem truly made our hearts swell with pride. Last but not the least, please welcome the students of Class A who will perform a dance on the song We Are the World, portraying the idea that we are all part of God's great big family and we all need love. All the people of the world must come together and work for brighter days.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, oh, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make it brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
Well, send them your heart so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free,
As God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children,
we are the one to make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
It was truly an amazing performance. Any such program is not possible without the efforts of participants, and thus I would like to thank my fellow students for their sincere efforts. I would like to thank our teachers, Mrs. Rohatki, Mrs. Hitika Saxena, Mr. Sagar, Mr. Tarun Gautam, Mrs. Preeti Malhotra, Mrs. Lochan, and Mrs. Vijeta Sharma for their guidance and support. I also thank our principal, Mrs. Nair, for motivating us all for stepping into the digital assembly.